Nothing says lunch like a turkey sandwich, potato chips, tea from Chick-fil-A. Stay fueled, stay hydrated. What's happening, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Before I get into it today, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, share these videos. We appreciate you taking a look at our content. Drop a comment, let us know what you think about the content that I'm putting out here. We really appreciate y'all. Now, what I want to get into today is trespass signs. It's a great way to mark your property. One thing, being a property owner, you got to stay diligent. You got to keep up with what's going on your property. And I have a really great neighbor that is leaving. I hate to see him go, but he's starting to cash out. He's going to sell his property, which means is we're going to get somebody else out here in the area. So what I want to go through is hang trespass signs, because what's happened with him selling the property is I've seen people show up on my cameras. They probably are not really 100% sure where the borders are. So I'm going to hang trespass signs, hopefully to deter them and let them know that they are over the property line. Nothing special, just your usual private property, no trespassing signs. Going to get these up, hopefully get these folks from, keep these folks from wandering over onto the property. So I like to use something like an Onyx. You can see like the property lines. You can mark little things like on your property. Just stuff to kind of know where you are when you're out in the woods. Make a quick stop, freshen the mineral lit while we're out here. Pop this open. Some people like a knife when they opening this stuff. I like a nice little sharp box cutter. Gets the job done. Got this mineral lit right here that I established. It's all covered with straw, pine straw and stuff, but we're gonna put some of this black magic in here, freshen it up. All right, got that in there. Fresh mineral lick. All right, so real easy to see. Trail goes down there. Come right here. Trail goes down right here. This is kind of like an intersection. But on the other side over here is Bryant land. So we're gonna put a couple of signs, or put a sign right here, just so, again, marking the lines. Little razzle dazzle. Add a Bryant land sticker. Again, let these haters know. Pretty self-explanatory to me, don't you think? Last one for right now. So again, are trespass signs like a force field that's going to keep people off of your property? No, but what's going to happen is when my neighbor finally sells, we're going to have new people out here walking around, scouting, plundering around, and hopefully when they see these signs, it'll be a deterrent, again, to let them know, hey, this is somewhere I don't need to be. Let me get back on my side of the border.